everybody, I'm going to be making some pizza monkey bread for supper. I've never made this before. I was supposed to make it a couple of days ago and we had something else, and then it was supposed to be the next day, we had something else. So I said tonight we're having it. I'm doing it with my own twist, my own way. Not sure if it's the right way, but it's my way. So I'm gonna pan you down and explain everything I'll be doing. Okay, right here we have a bundt pan. I think it's about 7 inches in width. We have some pepperoni. I sprayed my pan. We have some mozzarella cheese here. I have more here. I have parmesan cheese. I have marinara sauce. I've got garlic powder. I've got parsley. And I've got some biscuits. So we're going to start out with taking a few of these biscuits out right now, just like this. And again, I'm doing it with my twist. Don't know if it's the right way. I don't work with this kind of dough, so this is kind of new to me. But hey, it is what it is, right? Just like that. Separate them here. I think you're supposed to separate them here. Like I said, I don't usually work with this type of dough. There. Well, we're gonna make 4 of them like this. And what I'm gonna start doing first, put some marinara sauce right on it. Like that. I'll show you these and how I put them in, and then I'll make the rest of them and I will bring you back. And we'll go like this, a little dab will do ya. Little dab goes a long ways with me. And let's see here. We will put one here, one there. I did like little cubes of mozzarella. I just thought it would be easier, quicker. Again, my way, not saying it's the right way. Then we're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning. Then we're gonna take a piece of pepperoni, I'm gonna put it right there, just like that. Then we got a little Parmesan cheese. I'll just stick a little dab there. I plan to do with something that at the end. Okay, so this is what we have right here. And we're just gonna take it and we're just going to mix it up, squeeze it up, just like this. Just like this. And I don't care if the sauce goops out, because that will even get into the biscuit dough a little bit more. Make it nice and yummy. Just kind of pinch it. Just like this. I know what, that marinara sauce smells really good. Just like that. And this is how I plan to do it. I plan to fill the whole tube up of my bundt pan, just like this. There you have it, right there. So, I'll bring you back. Okay, I just want to point out, I don't like the way these come out. I like the way the layer comes out, and I'm just going to set the other layer right on top. So let's see what's going to happen. Like I said, it's with a Grammie's twist. One way, the other way. Okay, I want to show you what I've done. I left them open-faced. I put the seasonings, and then I put the pepperoni on top, And then I put some more cheese right there. I put the Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to do the other layer, but do it a little differently. I have my stove warming right now. Okay, this is my last layer going around right now. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, flip it up like this. Again, this is with my twist, like this. Just like that. The dough isn't the easiest to separate when you don't work with it. Some probably can just separate it with no problems. I hope you didn't hear my Alexa go off. It was telling me it was time to get supper. I have it programmed where she tells me it's time for supper. And let me see here. I need a little more cheese. So I'm slicing it here so you can see me. A little dab will do ya. Like I said, I always do it my way. I'll read something. If I don't like the way it's looking, then I improvise it to what I would like it to try to look like. I'm not saying it's going to look like. I said try to look like. Okay, I'm just going to pick it up. Put it right down right there. Then I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this like this like this, like that. And we got another one right there. And I'll bring you back when I have it to go just before going into the oven. Okay, folks, there you have it right there. This is the way I'm going to do mine. And just topping it off with some Parmesan cheese, just like this. So it's going in the oven at 400 for 35 to 40 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, folks, I'm making pizza monkey bread. It's an Italian appetizer, and it's stuffed with pepperoni, and it has mozzarella cheese, garlic powder, and Italian season with a biscuit dough of your choice. So here it is right here. Okay, here it is after 20 minutes, and it said that you needed to put some foil on it for 20 minutes. So I'm going to cover it with foil and put it back in the oven, and we'll see what's going to happen. Then we'll have the final result. But as of now, you can see it's right at the top of the pan. It looks really yummy. Okay, it just came out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool for a couple of minutes, then I'm going to turn it over, and hopefully it comes out of the pan and we can have supper. Okay, it's out of the oven. I don't know how it's going to cut up, but I've got some marinara sauce. Hold on. Put it just like that. And then we've got some marinara sauce to go on the side. Okay, folks, look who's here. It's Ray again. He's my tester. I'm really watching what I'm eating, so you're not gonna see me eat too much food, or I'm gifting. This is wicked hot, just came from the oven, and here we go.
It looks good.
It looks good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me...
A little bit of dipping in here, you're supposed to.
Yeah, a little bit of marinara.
Condom Maniac Grammie. Looks good.
Yeah.
Lots of, well, bread, I guess, biscuits. Here we go. Yeah.
And I'll go up for a close view here.
Very good.
What can you taste, Ray?
I can taste the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Pepperoni's in it.
Yeah.
I suppose you could put anything you wanted.
Yeah.
Ham, onions, peppers.
You could put onions, peppers, whatever. I just did it with my twist, you know, with me. Okay, folks, so this is the monkey bread. And I'm glad Mr. R likes it. Going down for another shot here. There we go. Let's get a...
Very good.
Very good. Okay, folks, if you like this video, the recipe is going to be in the description box below. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Ray's giving thumbs up. Ring that bell, share my videos, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.